Come to Ben's English Lab, Ben's English Lab.
It's vocabulary development today, and in this video, we want to look at the concepts of first cousins versus first cousins once removed. Now, if you're in a relationship, we have all kinds of terms to come to terms with, and one of such terms is the concept of first cousins. The next is the concept of first cousins once removed. Who do you call your first cousins? Now, the concept of first cousins simply refers to the regular cousins that you have. So, who are your cousins? Your cousins are the children, whether male or female, of your uncles or aunts. So, the son or the daughter of your uncle or aunt is your cousin. And I know that we all are familiar with that, okay? Now, first cousin is another concept that you can use to replace the concept of cousins, the regular cousins in the English language. Of course, this class should let you know that we have types of cousins in English language. So, in as much as we have first and we have first cousins once removed. So, remember, the first cousins are your regular cousins, the children of your uncles or the children of your aunts. So, what's the difference between first cousins and first cousins once removed? Let's think of it this way that you have cousins, that is, the children of your uncles and the children of your aunts. If your cousins have children, okay, what's the relationship that those children have with you or that you have with them? The children of your cousins are referred to as first cousins once removed. So it is not typically incorrect to regard or to refer to the children of your cousins as your cousins. Of course, they are your cousins, but we have a specific term for that in the English language. And of course, that term is first cousins once removed. So if you have a cousin and your cousin has a son or a daughter, or that cousin of yours has other children. Now, those children of your cousins are your first cousins once removed. So, practically, the concept of first cousin once removed is used to refer to your cousins who are not in the same generation as you. So, when you have cousins who aren't your own generation, then you call them your first cousins once removed. And with that, we've come to the end of the session on the concept of first cousins versus first cousins once removed in the English language. I do believe that you found this class really impactful. If you did, kindly remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like, comment, and share. See you next time. Bye for now.